Hey, what's going on, people? Hope you guys are doing good. Today we're going to be talking about Samsung Pay. In case you're not familiar, Samsung Pay is a mobile payment system that's exclusive to Samsung phones, and in the past, it was the most versatile payment system out there. I recommended it in nearly every video, and I absolutely loved it. You could use it on older credit card readers as well as newer NFC-based credit card readers because of MST technology. So if you've ever gone into like an old town gas station and they don't have like the newer NFC-based reader with like the little symbol showing you to tap your phone, and instead they use the swiper machine, that is MST technology. And with Samsung phones in the past, you could just simply take your Galaxy device, hold it next to that credit card swiper, and it would process the payment just as if it was an NFC-based payment. That versatility was huge. The Galaxy S20 FE, I believe, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and the Galaxy zFold 2 were some of the last Galaxy devices to feature MST technology with Samsung Pay. And honestly, I don't find it that big of a deal in the area that I live in. Let me know in the comments section, do you still rely on MST or not? Now, there's other reasons why I enjoyed Samsung Pay and I continued recommending it. Just for using Samsung Pay to check out, you were given points. Those points could be redeemed for apps, Galaxy themes, wallpapers, ringtones, icon packs, or you could exchange them for specific items like maybe a charger, or apply them to an upcoming Galaxy phone or tablet. Plus you could enter them into raffles and possibly win something for free. There was a lot of things that you could do with those points, and it was pretty cool. Now, one of the most recent things Samsung has done to Samsung Pay is do away with the point system. Regardless though, there's still the reward system, which is another perk to using Samsung Pay. Now, the cashback reward system works similar to PayPal and probably your bank, depending on where you do your business. You simply go onto Samsung Pay and look at the ongoing perks for that month. So say Nike is doing a specific deal for 5% cash back, you apply that promotion to Samsung Pay, then shop, and when you check out, you're given 5% cash back from your purchase. Really awesome, right? And then that money is applied to your Samsung Rewards debit card, or more or less a debit card, and you can use that anywhere. You can use it in the Galaxy store, or you can use it for food, for gas, or anything else out there, as long as you're checking out with Samsung Pay and you're using your rewards card. That's pretty awesome, and that was a big reason why I recommended using Samsung Pay, especially because you could double up on that reward percentage by linking your PayPal account. Then you're gonna get the cashback percentage from PayPal as well as Samsung Pay, which is awesome. But then recently I discovered something and it really let me down, and I will no longer be recommending Samsung Pay to anybody. Let me explain. I had like 10 or 15 bucks in cashback rewards. I went to buy a couple themes, icon packs for an upcoming What's on My Phone video. However, when I went to check out, I couldn't use my rewards card because there was no balance. So this got me thinking. I thought maybe my account was hacked and someone spent that money. So I went into my activity history, and lo and behold, there's an inactivity fee. A freaking inactivity fee. So if you don't use Samsung Pay or your rewards in a specific amount of time, they literally take the money back. Not all of it, it's a percentage every single month, but how ridiculous is that? So in the end, Samsung pretty much took back all of my cashback rewards and left me with nothing. This really ticked me off, so I went ahead and switched over to Google Pay, and this is what I'll be recommending and using moving forward. Not only is it cross-platform, I can use it on Android and iOS, you still get cashback rewards, and it's done in a similar format. You just go onto your Google Pay account, apply the promotions that are applicable to you, shop at those stores, and you get your cash back. The best part is they don't charge you the inactivity fee, so your rewards will stay there. So you don't have to spend them in a certain amount of time, at least to my knowledge. I still have rewards from years ago on my Google account, which is awesome. And since Samsung has done away with MST support, I'm getting the same functionality on Google Pay as Samsung Pay. Plus, I think as Google Pay turns into Google Wallet, we'll see even more promotions and functionality open up. So yeah, that is why I will no longer be using Samsung Pay or recommending it. That BS fee was just my tipping point. They have severely crippled this mobile payment platform, and I don't like it. I will gladly use Google Pay because it is cross-platform and it's not proprietary to just Samsung phones, and I really appreciate that. Let me know in the comment section what you think of Samsung Pay and all the crippling that Samsung has done. Are you still dependent on MST technology? If you are, then I understand why you would continue using it, but if you aren't, I highly suggest looking at Google Pay. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos just like this, and I'll see you beautiful people in the next one.